Hello, this is ICR Tiger from thetradingtigers.com. Today I'm going to explain to you about the trade that I've taken, the pound Japanese yen, on the 22nd of April. Before I start, please do go through our disclaimer. Please do stop this recording and read at your leisure, and also go through the hypothetical performance. Please do stop and read at your leisure, as I said. Okay, so today I took a trade on the Japanese yen based on our tool, and I used the Ichimoku Strategy. So let me go to the tool that the Trading Tigers, have developed. It's a free tool which is based on which is a free tool which is on our website. You can go to the tradingtigers.com here, and this is our tool called the MTFA tool, multi-time frame analysis. If you want to find out a little bit about multi-time frame analysis, please do go to our videos. I have done a few videos already explaining what multi-time frame analysis is and how to actually use multi-time frame analysis. So how I actually executed our trade today. Today I looked at our very first tool which we have developed, and it gave me the indication to take the pound Japanese yen. Then I came to our second tool called the multi-time frame analysis, as we will call it tool 2, and tool 1 we have I just explained briefly to you about, giving us the clear indication of the pair to take. So on the MTFA tool, using the 200, we can look at the pound yen on the 15-minute all the way to the weekly is all bullish. So I can go to my chart, and here we can see this is an Ichimoku chart on the 1 hour. That is right, on the 1 hour. I have taken a trade to go long. That is right, on the pound Japanese yen on the 1 hour, I took a trade to go long. First of all, I looked at the Trading Tigers tool 1, which gave me the indication of the pound Japanese yen. Then I looked at tool 2, which is the MTFA tool, and which gave me a green bullish signals all the way from every time frame that we had shown. So I had taken the trade based on the Ichimoku trade, and as we can see, this is the red line is the Kijun-sen, and the yellow line is the Tenkan-sen, and you can see price had crossed the Kijun-sen and Tenkan-sen at that particular point, and a very strong red bullish candle, which we can see, and that is from today, and that is close to 21 pips. Yeah, close to 21 pips, and my entry was at 172.418, and I put my stop below the Kumo here at 171.79, which is a 61 pip, and I'm currently in favor of 22 pips in the trade, and I'm in the money right now. So as the trade moves on, I will move my stop loss up, therefore limiting my exposure. I'm waiting for the price to shoot further up to leave the Kijun-sen far behind, and then I will move my stop loss higher up above my entry, just under the Kijun-sen. Yes, and that will give me a trade in for free. That is right. So right now all the parameters for this particular long trade are looking very, very attractive. Right. So also using the MTFA tool, we're able to see here, just type in this search button here, GBP, right, and we see all the pound pairs. So now what we're looking for some correlation pairs which are all in the same signal and same way of thinking. So so pound Swiss is also from 15-minute all the way weekly are all bullish, and euro pound are all bearish, 15 to the weekly. And then we can see pound USA is also all bullish, and then also we can see pound CAD from 15 to weekly are all bullish. So this is an opportunity for us to, from a single point, from tool 1, tool 2, then we use a correlative kind of analysis to enter several trades in the corresponding way. So if we go now to the pound Swiss, so we go to the pound Swiss, and we go to the 1 hour chart, and we can see we took the trade earlier today at 10 o'clock, and our entry price was 148.79, and we're in the money right now of 10 pips. Price has moved up, and we can see our stop loss down here below the Kumo, which looks quite a deep stop. So we're looking at 70 pips approximately. So we're going to take this trade and just keep it going all the way through, and just moving our stop loss up. And if we go now to the other pairs that what we were looking at, we were saying the pound dollar. The pound dollar also we had taken a long trade, and you can see here pound dollar, our entry was at 1.6825, and this is on the borderline of in profit by a very, very small fraction of under a pip. So this is going to take some time, but as we can see all the signals are all bullish based on this Ichimoku strategy. Future Kumo is looking bullish. Price is above the Tenkan-sen and Kijun-sen. The Shikao is above, well above its corresponding candle, and price is steadily moving up. The next trade that we were looking at was pound Swiss, which was also in the same direction of the pound Japanese yen. Just to remind you how we looked at this, we started the trade with the pound Japanese yen all activated here, as we can see, and I just showed to you the pound dollar and now the pound Swiss. So let's go back. Pound Swiss. So pound Swiss. So once again, I took the trade earlier today at 10 o'clock in the morning. That's English time, and the trade entry was at 48.79, and the stop loss put below the Kumo cloud, and that is 72 pip. It's quite a healthy stop. We're looking for price to move up further Once again, all the parameters of the Ichimoku trade strategy shows that this trade is on the long side. Remember, from our initial entry of the pound Japanese yen, that is what we're looking at for. This is where our trade was taken from, based on tool 1 giving us the pair to take, and then tool 2, which is the MTFA multi-time frame analysis tool, which is giving us bullish across the board from every single time frame that what we have for the pound Japanese yen. Then we looked at the correlations, which all the positive correlations for this pound pair, and we noticed once again, I'll show to you exactly where we look for pound Japanese yen all bullish, and then we can see pound Swiss all bullish, and then we can see pound Aussie, pound US all bullish, and Euro GBP is all bearish, which means favoring for the pound. That's right, favoring for the pound. So we're going to play on this pound strength and just work on the strategy based on one single entry of the pound Japanese yen. Now let me show to you the euro, the pound euro. So you can see we entered here at 82.03, and that was done today also at 10 o'clock. Price has pushed through, coming down. It seems to, of course, push through the Kijun-sen, and price pushed it all the way back down again. And once again, the parameters are all showing bearish for this pair, which is in favor for pound strength. And we can see that the Kumo is very, very bearish. That's the future Kumo. Our stop loss is up here at this particular point. Yes, we can actually bring it down in time a little bit further down. In fact, what I can do, I can bring it down right now as we're live. So I'm bringing down the stop loss down to this particular point, and that's where our stop is going to be right now. And this is just a technique that I use to remember where my stop losses were and where I've actually taken the movement to. Okay, so now we've reduced our exposure in this trade from 30 pips, which isn't too bad, to 21 pips. Okay, so that's what we're trying to do. When this when the price moves far off and breaks away from the Tenkan-sen being the yellow line, and moves far away from the Kijun-sen, which being the red line, right? If it moves, once it starts to move far away, far apart from the lines, prices move far away, then we'll move our stop loss below or just above the Kijun-sen, and that will hopefully, by that time, price will be way past our entry and will be in the trade for free. Nothing better than a free lunch. That's right. So basically that's it for me now. Like I said to you, we're we're in the money for all the trades that we've taken, and that's based on the Trading Tiger tool 1 and using tool 2, which is the MTFA tool. Then we look for the positive correlative pairs, and then also we entered across the board, and we're going to play these trades all the way to the very end. and I'll follow through the trades with you in the next few days, and just update you as we go along. So once again, I'm ICR Tiger from thetradingtigers.com. Thank you.